अॼु मां तव्हांखे लंदन में ग्रैंड ट्रैक स्पोर्ट्स कार्स जी जेका एग्ज़िबिशन आहे उहा तव्हांखे घुमाईंदुसि। अचो त हुनजी रिकॉर्डिंग ॾिसूं।
Let's welcome back on stage Mark Gallagher, team principal, and Adam Carroll, who is the driver. Back on Mark coming up. Adam is where's Adam gone?
He's getting dressed at the moment.
Adam was always dressed. Here he is, Adam Carroll for team.
To understand their weaknesses, because you see, the thing that people don't really understand is that when you're doing a pit stop, when you're a mechanic, you come out of the garage carrying the wheel. But these are differences is when you have to run around to the outside of the car, the inside. Some people there think you know that you're going to go through it, and you pass into the outside door instead of getting back out of the car.
So Adam Carroll, this is something, it's just part of the job.
Well, it is just part of the job, and you must just get on with it and push as hard as you can. Sometimes you have to decide whether it's worth taking a move or not. Because if you make a mistake and go for a
Radio recording. Sorry. अब टाइमर मत लगाओ डायरेक्ट। That's wonderful. One more.
What is it? I did think I was right.
Did you?
Yeah. Ready to do that?
Hi. Say hi. Sweet video.